If you're using AI the same way everyone else is, you'll never make money from it. Right now, we're in the middle of a digital gold rush. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. Only the ones with the right information and fast execution will walk away with real money. I've spent months studying how dozens of AI businesses are quietly making more in 6 months than most people do in 10 years. And here's the scary part. Most of these opportunities will be saturated within the next 12 to 18 months. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 specific ways people are using AI to create massive wealth. No technical background, no venture capital money. Number 5, AI content multiplying. Let's start with the most practical way. Most businesses think the problem is creating content, but here's the truth. The real problem is distribution. Long-form content, podcasts, videos, blog posts, sits there, collecting digital dust, while brands struggle to stay visible. Some of the smartest people in AI are quietly monetizing this by building an AI content supply chain. One single piece of content becomes dozens of posts, clips, carousels, tweets, and more across TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, and every platform that matters. Here's how. Step 1. Find the right clients. Not every business is a good fit. Your pre-qualifier is simple. They need to already have long-form content. If a company doesn't have videos, podcasts, or blogs already out there, this strategy won't work. But if they do, you're about to offer something incredibly valuable without asking them to create anything new. Here's a tip. You can use AI to do the research for you. Ask it to scan companies in your niche and flag businesses that have a large library of long-form content but almost no short-form presence. Next, dig into their existing library. Look for the content that performed the best, highest views, most engagement, most shares. This is the content that already resonates, and it's the one you want to repurpose. Transcribe that long-form content using AI tools. Ask ChatGPT or any similar AI to pull out the most impactful sections. Format those sections for different platforms. For example, 60-second TikTok or Instagram clips, carousels for LinkedIn, or Instagram tweets or thread ideas. Once you've built this workflow, it scales across clients. Companies pay top dollar because you're multiplying ROI without creating anything new. But if you want to get paid for what you know, this next one is for you. Number 4, AI knowledge monetization engine. The key is to package your knowledge into a workshop or training program that delivers real results. People don't just want to listen, they want actionable guidance that gets them outcomes. Even if you've never created a curriculum before, AI makes it easy. It can interview you like a beginner, write step-by-step lesson plans, create outlines, design exercises, and structure content over multiple days. Here's how it works. Step 1. Have AI ask you questions as if it were a student or beginner in your field. This surfaces all the knowledge and insights you already have. Step 2. Feed the answers into AI to generate a full workshop structure including lessons, models, examples, and exercises tailored to your audience. Step 3. AI writes the scripts, slides, exercises, and any supporting materials. It can even tailor examples to your audience, making the content relatable and engaging. Step 4. You simply follow the AI-generated materials and record yourself teaching. That becomes your core content, ready to sell. You can charge top dollar, especially if your workshop delivers results your audience can't easily get elsewhere. A powerful tip is to use adult learning frameworks like the MAT structure, which organizes information into digestible segments for easy learning. Most people overwhelm learners with information, but this method ensures clarity, retention, and engagement. The truth is, you don't need to be a certified expert. You just need to be the guide. AI makes you the most effective guide possible, turning your experience into high-value, monetizable workshops. Number 3. AI Web Production Studio. The opportunity here is straightforward. Build professional, fully responsive websites and landing pages without writing a single line of code. With AI-powered tools like Lovable or Framer, anyone can create pixel-perfect designs quickly, even without a background in design or coding. These platforms handle layout, responsiveness, typography, and visuals automatically, allowing you to focus on customization and client goals. Here's how to implement it step by step. Step 1. Create a detailed form to gather every information you need from the client. This should include brand guidelines, color palettes, fonts, tone, core messages, goals, and any specific visual or functional requirements. The more complete the information, the faster and more accurate the AI-generated website will be. Step 2. Use the collected client data to feed prompts into AI tools. The AI will generate a complete website or landing page, including layouts, sections, copy suggestions, and images. For more advanced platforms, integrations with APIs can automate versioning and updates. Step 3. Review the AI-generated site and make adjustments where needed. Align elements, refine copy, adjust visuals, or ensure branding consistency. This step ensures the website is polished and professional. Step 4. Send the site to the client via a feedback form. Collect their input, feed it back into the AI platform, and implement updates automatically. Repeat until the client approves the final version. The beauty of this approach is scalability and recurring revenue. After setup, you can charge clients monthly for website maintenance, updates, landing pages, and even email automation. But if you already have a business, this next opportunity can unlock hidden wealth in your existing network. Number 2. AI Relationship Intelligence System. Most people underestimate the value of the contacts they already have. Your followers, email contacts, LinkedIn connections, even people you've interacted with years ago could hold opportunities you haven't tapped into yet. It's like standing on top of a gold mine and not realizing there's gold beneath your feet. This is where AI comes in. Tools like Happenstance and Whitebridge can scan and analyze your networks to enrich contact information using public data. AI can pull job titles, locations, company info, and even detect patterns across thousands of connections to identify hidden opportunities. Once your network is enriched, you can ask AI-targeted questions. For example, who do I know that hosts a podcast in Austin? The AI creates a list of people who match, along with insights about them, including the best way to reach out. It doesn't stop there. The AI can draft personalized outreach messages based on your relationship with that person, the platform they are most active on, and even the context of your shared network. You can use this to find new clients, partners, suppliers, or even strategic introductions that solve critical business problems. The beauty of this method is that it turns existing contacts into actionable opportunities. A network that seemed ordinary now becomes a pipeline for revenue, partnerships, media appearances, and collaborations, all without cold outreach or guesswork. But if you want to work with high-level clients and get paid top dollar, this next one is where the real money is. Number 1. Executive AI Command Centers. Almost every business owner is struggling with AI. They hear about custom GPTs, system prompts, master prompts, workflows, and integrations, and most of them have no idea how to actually implement any of it. That's your opportunity. Here's how you turn their confusion into a high-ticket service. Step 1. Start by collecting every detail about the client's business. Their goals, preferences, workflow structure, tone of voice, and content style all matter. This is the foundation. The more context you gather, the more precise and effective the AI system you create will be. Step 2. Use the intake data to construct the core pieces. Master prompts for overarching goals, system prompts for specific outputs, and custom GPTs for specialized tasks. Organize everything into clear project folders. Step 3. Once the system is in place, ask AI to write a detailed SOP, standard operating procedure, that explains exactly how to use everything you've built. The playbook should cover how to access projects, how to run custom GPTs, update prompts, and maintain the system efficiently. This ensures the client doesn't have to figure anything out. They just follow your framework. Step 4. Load all the tools into the client's AI platform and label everything clearly. Make it seamless, easy, and intuitive. Then, offer monthly subscription-based maintenance. Platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini update constantly, so clients will need ongoing tweaks, prompt refinements, and support to keep everything running at peak performance. Here's the truth. The intellectual property of the future isn't just the AI itself. It's the system prompts, workflows, and structured setups you create. Businesses will pay handsomely for it because it directly increases their operational efficiency, productivity, and value. You provide the expertise, they pay for the clarity and execution. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any tips on how to turn AI into real income. And drop a comment below, letting me know which of the ways you're most excited to start with. I'd love to hear your thoughts.